Oh. Alright guys, hopefully last morning with the wagon, just heating it up. Meeting my uncle at Port Perry, we're gonna trade cars. Silver Jetta is back. He did a head gasket job on it. Hopefully it's all good. He assures me that everything's running perfectly and is timed properly, so we'll see. Alright guys, so the meeting with Unc went well. We traded cars. His wagon did go into limp mode on the way there. He finally did ginger it home. As soon as he got it in the garage, he jacks it up and notices that the boost piping was still a little loose and not put together correctly, especially the part that goes into the turbo that I thought I secured pretty well. So I guess the weird sucking sound that it was making at about 2000 RPM that I was experiencing has been fixed. It still has been idling a little weird. He did hook it up to VagCom and all the readings look right. Everything looks to be normal. It's still properly timed, but it is idling a little rough. So he's gonna look into that and let us know. After we met, I figured it's a good time to test out the Jetta and see if it's running well. So I went ahead and hit up my boy Ray. Shouts to Donway Ford. If you want to buy a performance Ford, whether it's a GT Mustang or an EcoBoost or even a Focus or Fiesta, make sure to hit up Donway Ford. Look for Reggie. He was really cool to work with. But yeah, so we linked up with Ray and drove the car home. Alright, so we're picking this up for Ray. What year is this, Ray?
2015.
2015 ST. I don't even know if we're allowed to have a camera out at the dealership, but whatever. No one's here.
YOLO.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Oh, you know what I did forget?
What'd you forget?
Broke Boy sticker. It's okay. It'll come.
I have one, but I'm like...
The black one?
Yeah, it's just that's the only thing, right? I got one tiny one. Like,
yeah, we'll put the tiny one. And you're probably thinking here, right?
yeah, I was thinking like here.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, but
You
what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section below. Bone stock. I think definitely blow off valve.
Definitely exhaust.
Resonator delete at least. But yeah, we're bringing this thing home. Check this out. Sold by Reggie Adams to Ray Joseph. And I get to drive it home. Sweet! Ford GT out here in the showroom while we're waiting for some paperwork to be done. What do you call these things?
God, barriers?
Barriers. Yeah. I'd love to get in there for you guys, but you know, barrier problems. All right, Ray. Damn, this thing is bright. Random GT in the lot. All right, man. Holy, look at the smile on this guy's face, eh?
You have no idea.
Holy. All right, let's bring this baby home. All right, you guys know we gotta celebrate, so where is it? Oh, it's over there. Shot time, yeah. Alright, we did a good deed today. Helped Ray get his car home. And we've got the Jetta back, baby. Hell yeah. Oh, it's so quiet, not stinky, and it's super slow compared to my uncle's wagon, but I love it. Time to hit up some lunch. It's currently 2:20 and I haven't had lunch yet. So thanks Ray for the chow time drink. Hopefully it's decent. Alright guys, we're back home. I'm just glad baby girl's back. Really glad that Unc figured out that head gasket problem. Let's just check under the hood, just to, you know, curious. Alright. So now it's got the EGR delete race pipe. Everything looks great. New coolant, new oil. Hopefully this holds up. You went ahead and patched my leaking tire for me too, so that's good. Yeah. You know, I should throw an engine cover over it. Make it look nicer. Alright. Looks a lot cleaner with the engine cover on. So this thing needs rotors, pads. As for you. But yeah, as soon as we get the Mark II running and it's springtime, we're gonna swap the motor and trans off this car into a wagon. We have another wagon shell to play around with. So we didn't take a lot of footage on the ST on purpose, only because we're saving that for a later date in the spring. We're gonna do a whole video on it, maybe even do some mods on it, really get you the driving impressions of how it feels. I did personally drive it. You know what's up. It's a pretty fun car to drive. The Jetta made it through the weekend, no issues. I don't want to jinx myself now because I know that, you know, we're gonna expect snow for this week. So I know it's not gonna get as cold as it did a couple weeks ago, but I did order a Relay 109, and if you haven't seen that video yet, you should. I'm gonna link it here. And I bought myself a OBD2 tool, which I also did a video of. Sorry about these plugs, but it's necessary just to educate you guys. These are some preventative things that you can get for your car. So let's go ahead and do the draw now. Here's how it's gonna work. I'm gonna go through my Instagram, I'm gonna go through my YouTube, get all your names, write them down on these little note cards. I'm gonna throw them in my helmet, and I'm gonna pick 3 random people, and each of you are gonna get a package of 4 stickers, all 4 designs. This is the Billy, Antisocial, the Pablo, and the Conjo. So let me know which one you like best. Leave it in the comment section below. Alright guys, there you go. We've got 10 names there. I'm gonna toss them into the helmet. Shake the helmet around. Hold on, it's open. What's up, Snow? Snow's gonna help us out. Alright, just mix them around in the helmet. We're gonna pick 3. And I'm gonna read out the names, alright? Or just show you guys the names. I'm gonna contact you guys on either YouTube or Instagram. And I'll send out your stickers later this week. So let's see who we got. Hang on, let me just get the camera ready. But respect to all you guys who bothered to enter the contest. First one, Nolan K. Thanks, dude. Oh, snap. Drop the second one. Second person is DVM28BP. Last person, the homie Exotic Empire. I know this guy's local, so it'd be dope to actually meet this guy in person. That'd be dope. Alright guys, thanks to everyone who joined. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. Even if you didn't win, I appreciate the effort. Would not have made it to 100 subs without everyone's help. I'm hella stoked, man. Spring is coming. Car season is coming. Lots of things to get ready for. We plan on autocrossing this year. The best friend Dylan and I, we're going to try to drag Ray along as well. Lots of cars and coffee, a bunch of different other events, meets, and car shows. We'll see where we go from there. You can also expect a lot of features. We have a lot of friends with some really nice cars, not only in the GTA, but Chicago, California. Who knows where we'll end up. Stay tuned. As always, fake it till you make it, and God bless. Peace.